Good for price, it was great and the prices are great. Great customer service was amazing. Room was perfect. Good price. Highly recommend nice rooms and staff. Amazing, the general manager and staff are very friendly and helpful. I will always go back. Best hotel with best staff. This place is awesome. So happy to have found it while we are in town for medical reasons. The manager Shane is out of this world, kind and professional. His staff Harnor, Sandia, Melina, Amanda, Taya, Celso and Olga are all awesome. They truly care about their guests. Cheers to them all. ESASR, VR, West. The place is very nice and clean, and the staff are awesome. Shane, Taya, Amanda, Melina, they are all the very best in customer service. Relaxing, the room was terrific size and very comfortable. The staff was very helpful and I will definitely be returning to this hotel. 5-star service. This extended stay I would recommend to anybody. Not only is the facility clean and tidy kept up, but the staff is 5-star top-notch. People would gladly recommend them to anyone I know. One of my favorite places to go and just get away. Exceptional location. Everything about this place is wonderful. Bathroom is clean. Exceptional. I would highly recommend extended stay San Ramon West. It's very affordable, the rooms are clean and the staff is great. Exceptional. This is a great place in a less busy area that makes this a peaceful place to stay in California. Staff is friendly. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for a relaxing place to stay. Julian room very clean, comfortable, and spacious. Front desk staff very helpful. Great location near major highways. Basic, clean, quite. It works for a basic place to stay. Quite, even though just off the highway. Hotel was clean. We used the fridge only. Staff was very friendly and helpful. Great location near mall, city park, local restaurants. The bed was a bit hard. The water was okay as to softness. Okay stay. My parents stayed here for 3 days and liked the location, walking distance from the city center, and were fairly comfortable here. However, this place works best if you're only planning on sleeping there and otherwise spend your time elsewhere. They don't have many facilities for guests, and most other guests seem sketchy and standoffish, but for the price and the location it's still a fairly decent deal.